Welcome back to the channel. It is Chef Miguel here. Over the last couple weeks, I had two videos that went extremely viral. One was the taco cupcakes, which got millions and millions of views. Thank you so much for the support and the comments and the feedback. And the other one was the taco egg rolls, which also went pretty crazy. But the comments that you asked about was what was the original taco homemade seasoning that I mentioned that I was making, so you could try to make it at home too, which in my opinion tastes way better than when you go in the store to make it, because fresh is always better. So this is a very short video, and what I'm going to show you today is exactly how I make a baseline for a good taco seasoning at home. And you feel free to use this, add to it, kick it up with a little spice, but let's just jump right into it. Now here we're only using 8 ingredients, which is very easy, right? The first one, you're gonna get a tablespoon of the chili powder, which is gonna add that nice flavor to it. And the next 4 ingredients are a teaspoon, very easy to remember. You wanna get your garlic powder, your onion powder, fresh paprika, sometimes I use smoked paprika, and of course ground cumin. Now some of you, depending on your flavor profile, you may want to use a little more than a teaspoon, but I think that's a good baseline for you to test it. And lastly, very simple, a half teaspoon of 3 ingredients, which are salt, pepper, and oregano. And we can slow roll all these ingredients in here and mix them together very nicely. Break up any chunks that you may have, but look at that. I wish you could smell it. And there you have it. That's pretty simple. What you want to do is you can store this in a cooler, dry place. Easy, you'll have plenty of time to use it. This makes about a half a jar, maybe like 2 ounces. So if you want to use more, then you just scale it up and double the recipe according to how you like it. So feel free to use this on your next Taco Tuesday night. If you want to try my videos, my video recipes I have out there, check my other video that of course you'll see up, which of course is the taco cupcakes. I have other homemade tacos and especially the taco egg roll. So I hope you enjoy this. Leave a comment below and let me know how you're feeling it. And I also have another version of this in my store, which is called Tasty Taco Seasoning, if you don't want to make it and you just want to shake it. All right, see you later. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to check out my specialty line of spice blends that are naturally flavored and extremely delicious. Order yours at www.he'sgotflavor.com.